what's your name? Ma?
My name is Khadija.
Okay, Khadija. Okay, and what do you sell?
We sell casserole dish. We sell microwave dish. We sell microwave plates.
Oh,
So we sell oven dish. Then we have the dish that you can use to cook on gas.
okay.
So
Okay, so
this
and
is the
you
one that you can use to cook on gas. This is casserole dish. You can
okay.
use to bake from this place to this place.
Like this fine one, now, how much is this one? How much do you sell this set?
That one, the 2.5 is 25,000. 3.5 is 30,000.
Okay. Which one is 2.5 and which one is 3.5?
This is 2.5. This is
Okay.
3.5.
Okay, 25,000 for 2.5.
Yes.
3.5, 35,000.
30,000.
30,000. That's the
Mm.
last price.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about this set?
This one is 70,000 for the three sets.
Okay.
Then this is the small one. We have the round shape, we
This
have the
one.
four corner shape, we have the wine color, we have the blue color of the this thing. So anyone you want.
Okay, how much is the small size?
The small size is 45,000 for three.
Okay, 45,000 there.
For three, yes.
Okay, what about this one? What's this one called?
This one
Uh,
is 80,000 for two sets. Is
okay.
dish. So the two like this is 80,000.
80,000 there.
Yes. This one too is 80,000 naira. And this one too, from this place to this place is same price.
80,000
80,000
naira for
naira.
complete set.
Yes. Then this one too, e make food to hot.
Okay.
Is dish oh, is microwave dish. Then is make food to hot very well. This one like this is 35,000. From this place like this to this place,
Big set.
35. Yes.
Wow, this one is fine.
This one is 40,000 naira per the set.
Okay.
Then this one too, you can put the candle under. Then you can use to is warming dish. You can use to warm
you can put candle under.
under. Yes, you can put candle under. You can use to warm food.
Okay.
Then this one too. Then this one, the set like this is 50,000. Both this one too is 50,000.
Okay. What's this one? What is it?
Salt and pepper
How much is it?
is 8,000 naira.
Uh,
Yes. This one too is casserole dish.
Mm.
It's the same thing with this one. Same thing with that one. It's casserole dish. You can use to bake. You can use to cook on gas. You can use to microwave. So
What about this set?
this one now, we have three sets, but this one is one sample now.
Okay.
This one, the three sets is 30,000 naira. Three sets is 30,000 naira. This one, three sets is 25,000.
Alright.
This one is two sets.
How much?
That one is 15,000 naira.
How much is this one?
The bowl, the dozen is 24,000 naira.
This price, are they wholesale price?
This one says price. We sell wholesale there.
Okay.
We sell carton here. Then this is another dish.
How much are these ones?
The set of this one is 40,000 naira. You can buy two, you can buy one, you can buy three. The three set is 30,000 naira. The four set is 40,000 naira. The one set is 10,000 naira. Then this one too, the set is 30,000 naira. One is 10,000 naira. Then this one is 30,000 naira. Then the pink one is 35,000 naira. Yes. This one, the three set is 15,000 naira.
Okay, 5,000.
No, the smallest one is 4,000 naira. Then the main one is 5,500.
Okay. Okay, guys, they have different things and they deliver outside Lagos. So this is their store.
Then we have a hand plates.
Let me see the plates.
This is set of plates. This set of plates in this. Then this set of plates.
How much is the set?
Set, we don't sell sets, but if they want to buy set, they can come. But we sell carton, dozen, or 6 pieces.
So how much is 6 pieces of the plate?
6 pieces of this one is 12,000 naira.
Okay.
The dozen is 24,000 naira.
Please careful, oh. May no break.
Then this is dinner sets.
Dinner?
Dinner sets.
Okay. How much?
The 75 pieces is 120. The 47 pieces is 50,000 naira.
Okay.
This one, the two sets is 18,000 naira.
18,000.
Yes, for the two sets.
Okay.
Then we have different glass cup. Different
Okay.
glass cup. This is another glass cup here.
Okay.
This is
Wine
another one.
glass,
Yes.
champagne glass. What is it? This set of knife?
Yeah, a set of knife.
How much? 15. 15,000 naira. Okay. What of your tray?
I see the tray. The tray is four sets.
Mm.
Then different type. You can knock it on the floor.
Small, small.
Then you can mash it. Nothing can happen to it. So it's rubber tray. Nothing can happen.
Wow.
Then we have different color of it.
How much is
We
it?
have wooden color, we have black and gold, we have black and silver, we have white and gold, we have silver, then we have plain black.
Okay. How much?
The set is 28,000.
One is how much?
The
I'm
smallest
buying
one,
this.
the smallest one is 5,000 naira. The next one is 7,000 naira. The next one is 8,000 naira. The bigger one is
10,000.
9,000 naira.
Okay. 9,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay. What of this?
This is blender.
Uh,
You can use for juice, you can use for pepper, you can use for smoothie, you can use for anything that you want to blend. And it's very quality, yes.
how much?
That one is 85,000 naira.
Last price.
Yes.
What about this one?
This one is 200,000.
Why is it expensive?
It's non-stick.
Okay.
It's quality non-stick. Then this one too is non-stick.
Okay, this pink one there.
Yeah, it's non-stick.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Osinachi Ezugu,
Okay.
and this welcome to JerielLix store.
What do you sell?
Okay, we sell food warmer, water flasks, plate rack, microwave, pressure cooker, popcorn maker, grill, electric stove, infrared,
Okay.
then pots, deep fryer, and so on.
You deliver outside Lagos, right?
Yes.
And you sell in wholesale.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So let me show you around. They have so many things. So I'll be asking him the prices of the things they sell. They sell in wholesale price. Okay, like this flask now. How do you sell this one?
This one is 17.5 for
Is that
3.5 liter packing flask,
okay?
and
Vacuum
it keeps
flask.
water hot for a very long time.
Last price.
Yes.
Everything here is 17.5.
No.
Like this other one.
This one is 19.5.
19.
Yes.
Okay. So like do you have the one of 5,000 there?
Yes. We have water flask that is 5,000, which is
One is 5,000 there. And does this one retain heat as well?
yes.
Like for 2-3 days.
No, 24 hours. This
How
one
much is this one?
6,000.
6,000 there.
Yes.
Okay, vacuum flask. This set of kettle now, how do you sell it?
This one is jug. Like we used to use it for dinner, this thing, and it's 17,000.
Last price.
Yes. This one too is 17,000.
Okay.
This one is 16,000. This one is 14,000.
The three sets.
Yes.
Last price 14,000 there.
Yes. And this one is 25,000.
Don't
The
worry.
one we have there, that clip is 17,000.
Okay, what about this one? What is it?
Food flask also
How much?
5,005.
Last price.
Yes, ma'am.
Not say 4,000.
Yeah. That's 5,000.
Okay, 5,000. How much do you sell
6,500.
those ones?
This one is dry iron with spray.
Ah,
6,500. We
6,500.
also have steam and spray iron. 9,500. We also have travel iron.
Travel iron. How much
Yes.
is this one?
8,500.
Last price.
Yes.
Okay. What is this one?
Electric cooking stove. Indomie cooker.
Indomie cooker.
Yes.
It's used for only Indomie.
Can use to cook rice. It's multifunctional.
I'm seeing this for the first time.
Can use to cook rice.
Is it rechargeable?
No, electric.
How much?
8,500.
8,500. Electric cooking stove. Okay, 8,500.
Yes.
It's not like 5,000 or 6,000.
Yes, 8,500. You have toaster.
Okay, sandwich maker. How much?
This one is 9,000. This one is Crown Star. And this is Kineko. 8,500.
8.5.
Yes, the price most time depend on the product.
Uh,
Yes, depend on the product.
okay.
This is electric cooking stove. This one is this touch. This is the touch.
How much is this one?
This one is 30,000. It's infrared. It cooks food very fast.
Last price.
30,000.
As it's cooking fast now, it's draining your light.
Yes.
What about this one? What's this one?
Kettle. This
Let me
connected
see
kettle.
very well. How much is this one?
7,000 naira.
Last price.
Yes.
7,000 naira.
Hot
Electric
plate.
cooker again.
Hot plate.
How much?
6.5.
Does this one last very well?
No, it depends on the product though. This is aerosonic. It used to last.
6.5.
Yes. It
Okay.
used to last.
This set of frying pan is how much?
It depends on the distance. Like this six now is 28,000.
28,000 naira.
Yes, for the six like this. Because it comes in sets.
If I'm buying just one like this, is how much?
Go for the range of 4-5.
4.5. For all of them.
No,
Like
4
this
5,
small one, 4.5. This
5,000,
second one, 5,000.
5 5, 6,000, 6 5,
Okay.
7.
This set of
But
pots,
these ones are very big.
they are very big.
Yes, this one is 55,000.
For the first set.
Yes,
Last price.
yes, they are big pots.
Uh, what is this one?
Deep fryer.
How
This one,
much?
this one is 20,000.
Deep fryer.
Yes,
Okay, 20,000 naira.
yes.
Like, do you have another product? I think this
No,
one is Crown
Crown
Star.
Star, yes.
You have another one, another company.
No,
Okay, 20,000 naira last.
yes. We also have full flask. Yeah, type of full flask we have.
So, what's the cheapest one here?
The cheapest one we have is 7.5.
Where is it?
Aerosonic. We have for Aerosonic.
7.5.
We also have for Master Chef. Most times it depends on the liter.
Okay.
It depends on the liter. 700 ml is 7.5. 800 ml is 8,000.
Okay.
It depends on the meal the person is looking for, how big it is.
So you
Like
don't have like food flask of 4,000, 5,000.
no,
This one 14,000,
yes,
14.5.
this one is 2 liter and it has three inner inside. This one is
Okay.
13.5. It has one inner inside and it's very hot.
Can you retain heat for 24
Yes,
hours?
yes,
Okay. So, so guys, they have different food flasks. Oh, you have blenders as well.
yes. This is the cheapest blender that we have, and it's 12,000 naira.
You're selling this one for how much?
12,000.
12,000 naira, and it's your cheapest.
Yes.
Do you sell Buchimis?
No.
What of Ninja?
No.
How much is this one?
7.5.
7.5. What about this one?
This one is Java.
30,000.
Yes.
30,000 naira.
Yes.
For one. How many is inside?
That's two dividers. It's two dividers. You can put one for stew, you can put one for rice. We also have this one, 21,000.
Okay, this one comes in sets.
Yes. 4 cup, 2 plates, and one jug.
Okay.
Also have 2 piece plates. Just 2 pieces.
21,000.
This one is 21,000.
The two pieces, how much?
Yes. This one,
Uh,
12.5.
12.5. Okay.
Yes.
How much?
25,000.
How much?
This one is 25,000.
Is it rubber? It's rubber, right?
Plastic.
Plastic. Okay,
And it's very
22.
strong.
Uh,
Very, very thick.
22,500.
Yes.
Okay.
Also have popcorn maker.
Wow.
Popcorn maker.
How much is this one?
This one is 10,000.
10. 10,000 there. This is set of spoon, right?
Yes. This one is 14,000.
One is like this. Let me see. Okay, 14,000 there.
Yes.
Pressure cooker.
That's 3 liter, 5.5 liter, 9.5, 7.
So how much is 3 liter?
This one here is 16,000.
16.
Yes.
Okay, this is your electric cooker. Electric kettle.
Yes.
How much?
This one is 18,500.
18.5.
Yes, this one is 20,000. 5.5. Most times it depends on the liter you're buying.
Okay.
Depends on the liter.
And this one is 2.5. How much is that? Maybe like 10,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Also an electric pressure cooker.
How much is the pressure cooker?
The 7.5.
20,000.
No, 7.5 is
Lunch by how much?
2.5.
Okay, 2,500 naira. They have artificial fruits as well. How much is this one? 2,500 naira. Okay, these are dusters. How much is this one? 1.5 for each. Okay. And they have packer and brush. How much is packer and brush? 2.5. Okay.